Well, this is not Santa Claus on a slate. This is Beenie Man representing the Warriors. Whoa, laddie, laddie, lad. Sound clash.
Now who's that dingbat like Lake Lies, Ontario, Vario, scenario? Everything remains, maintains flush with choruses that book you like the media. It's unfair to shoot the messenger when the public is so eager to hear the message. I'll turn a rich man poor and left behind like victims, faceless and nameless. My new rap label pushes, so get your bifocals with stories not unfamiliar. Local heads get thrown into a tizzy when I perform past the norm, leaving you sounding like me about a year ago. You're sitting pretty like Janet, damn it, in the planet. Don't even look at the surface. You're better off underground, but your people follow rumor. I read the fine print after, so educate yourself, son. After 12, the crowd grows impatient. Local labels fall if there's no represent. Punks try to change the perception of our erection.
So sound clash and go on. Select another dub, they put on. This the Warriors and I'm run out the lava one. This Beenie Man and take me like a damn. Oh Lord, sound clash and go on. Select another dub, they put on. This the Warriors and I'm run out the lava one. Beenie Man, they are me not gonna keep calm. Anyway. Some boy that kick up and a go on like them at the next. Walk up this the Warriors like the grizzly greatest on a man say. Good better on a man say. Never let you dress until they could become better and they better become best. But followers, not for them a carriers. How them fit type up this the dream warriors. Them boy they can't cross our barriers. We're gonna take them pictures with all the cameras. Oh, some boy them all a flex like them a the owner. When we check it out, them gonna station them a farmer. Some boy a hunter, but we are the murderer. Dream warriors and Beenie Man a slaughterer. And with them out here, how we are the owner. How we the one of the girl them have to run and have to follow. All the girl them holla, warriors na stammer. We now got chat with all the lyrics and then we stutter. But man no cater, see the girl them cry for. Everybody wanna listen to them style, yeah. Sound clash a go on in the land. Some boy a kick up and a go on. And if you miss the warriors, you keep calm. Your feet are attack just like a storm. And Beenie Man up on the rhythm, well, we just get hit. Wow, me have me done, me have me chalice, and the kid is take it. Yeah, you me? So clash the go on. Select another dub, they put on. This the Warriors and I'm run out the lava one. This Beenie Man and take me like a damn. Oh Lord, so clash the go on. Select another dub, they put on. This the Warriors and I'm run out the lava one. Beenie Man, they have me not gonna keep calm. Anyway.
My bank's major invest $250,000 pager blows up like my name was Trump. Without a sound business plan, investment on both sides capsized. But always got a backup plan. Got couple grand in the foundation, growing tracks out the basement. Who said we couldn't pick money off of these trees? Need to fall to their knees and give us some of these. Now who's the African NATO? Payo. Stay off my property and everything remains lovely. We Real Heads Network on the down low. Solo, so diggy down low. We offer an atmosphere where you could hear hip-hop non-stop, even if the DJ gets shot. Cause campus radio rocks around us like Cash Johnny. So dangerous and plush like a Maserati.
Select another dub, they put on. This the Warriors and I'm run out the lava one. Beenie Man, they have me not gonna keep calm. Oh Lord, so clash the go on. Select another dub, they put on.